And this is how you do it. As you can see, we have so many beautiful photos here. Just right click on a photo and save it to your computer. But wait, you can also do it on your phone. Actually, you can do it on any device with internet connection. Once you downloaded a photo, all you need to do is upload it to this website and wait for the money to come in. You can do it over and over again. Just upload photos and make money. Today I'm gonna show you the exact method step by step how you can make money online using this method. But before we get started, tell me, what is your goal? What would you spend your money on? Do you want to buy someone a gift? Or maybe you want to buy a new phone or clothes? Or maybe you just need some side income for your personal needs? Let me know in the comments. The website I'm about to show you is a website where you can upload photos over and over again and get paid to your PayPal account every time someone views your photo. This website is 100% free to use. This is not affiliate marketing, so you don't have to sell anything. All you need for this method is a device with internet connection, which I assume you already have and are using it to watch this video. This method works in all countries, and all you need to start making money is just take action. But be careful and watch this video to the end, because you might miss an important step and you won't be able to make money. Step number 1. Go to Google and download a nice looking photo. Think about something beautiful, something a lot of people enjoy. Maybe it's nature, maybe some nice cars, or maybe some beautiful buildings. Just think about it for a second. I personally love nature, so I'm gonna search for some beautiful photos of palm trees. And as you can see, I search palm trees, and here I have thousands of beautiful photos. All you need to do now is find one photo that you like, select it, right-click the photo and save it to your device. But be careful, you cannot save just any photo you want, because you might get in trouble. Some of these photos are copyrighted, and that means you can't use them to make money. But don't worry, there is a safe way to find non-copyrighted photos that you can use. Just scroll all the way up until you see this button right here. Just find the button that says Tools and click it. Then you have a few options here. You click Usage Rights and you need to click Creative Commons licenses. After you click it, you will see lots of copyright-free images related to the keyword you searched. All of these photos are safe to use. So now let's find a decent looking photo. For example, this one. Now we have to right click it and save it to our device. After we've done it, we can move on to the next step. Step number 2. Go to clickasnap.com. So the website we will be using is called clickasnap.com. This is not an ad and I'm not affiliated with this website. I'm just showing it to you because I really liked it. So as you can see, this is what shows up when we visit this website. They claim they are the world's largest free-to-use, paid-per-view image sharing platform, where you can literally get paid for the content that you upload. Isn't that amazing? There are people who get thousands of views on this website. Imagine how much they make. Let's click how it works so we can find out exactly what we have to do to get paid and what the whole process looks like. And as you can see, you will get paid every time your photo is viewed. You will get up to 25 cents for each view your photo gets. That's crazy. The photos on this website get viewed millions of times each month. So just imagine that out of these millions of views, your photo only gets 100 views. Just as little as 100 views. For one view, you can get up to 25 cents. So let's calculate it quickly. You might get paid even $25 per photo that you upload. So that might be a good method to make money without having to sell anything. And you only need $15 to get your earnings paid out straight into your PayPal account. Looks like easy PayPal money, right? Step number 3, create a free account. So now let's create an account. Just click the button sign up for free and this is what pops up. You can sign up with either Facebook, Google or your Twitter account. You can also choose to sign up with your email address down there. Just type your email address, choose your username and the password, confirm your password, read the terms and conditions and click here if you agree to them. Next, click create an account and that's it. You just created an account. After you create an account, this is how the website looks like. You can see your account in the top right corner and that means you are logged in. Step number 4, upload a photo. So now click the upload button and this is where you can upload the image that you downloaded. This is where you can choose the image. You can drop your file here or click select and select the photo straight from your device. As you can see, with your free account you can upload 7 images a week and 100 images overall. This is already a lot, but if you want to upload more, you can upgrade your account for only £2 per month. It's really cheap, but obviously you don't need to upgrade your account, it's just an option. So just upload your photo, but remember, it has to be copyright free as I already mentioned before. I also recommend that you choose the most beautiful photo you can find so you can get even more views and make even more money. Try to go outside and take some nice pictures of different things around you. Really, try many different things because you never know what will work best. So after you get your photos, just upload the most beautiful ones and wait for views and for that money to come.